this trigonometry, we have just like alphabets, 6 trigonometrical ratios. So that names only now we have to read. I will explain you about this 6 trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So here trigonometric ratios are read as sine, number 1. Number 2, cosine. So it is simply we can written as sine. You write like this but read as like this. sin, sine. So cosine you write as cos. So third one, this is sin, you read as sine. Cos, read as cosine. So next third one, tangent. This is written as tan. So fourth one, cotangent. This is written as cot, cot, cot. So fifth one, secant. It is written as sec. So sixth one, cosecant. This is written as two forms, cosec, cosec, or csc. csc also cosec, cosecant, cosec also cosecant. So these are the 6 trigonometrical ratios. Just you fluently read out sine, don't read as sin, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. So in the same serial order only you read out. It will be useful further problems. Sine is the first one, cos is the second one, tan is the third one, cot is the fourth one, secant is the fifth one, cosecant is the sixth one. These are the 6 trigonometrical ratios. So now we have studied about the 6 trigonometrical ratios, that is sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. So about that formulas, that the definitions with help of the right angle triangle define ratios in a right angle triangle. So those ratios, first one is number 1, sine of angle A. Sine of angle A. This also we can written as sine A. Okay, or if you consider the theta, you can also write sine theta. So reading is same, sine theta, sine A, or sine of angle A, but sine of angle A or sine of angle theta, but written is like this or like this you write. Don't write like this. Okay, reading is like this, sine of angle A, that is sine of angle A or sine of angle theta. Simply we can read as sine theta and cos A. Okay, this is, we have the formula opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse or sine A formula. Okay, similarly second one we can written as cos of angle A or cos A, or we can write cos theta also. Okay, cos theta is equal to, this is first one is opposite side by hypotenuse, second one is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So these two are the primary basic formulas or fundamental formulas in this trigonometrical 6 ratios. Remaining 4 ratios easily we can do it. So these two you must and should remember. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Don't remember as the AB by BC, BC by AC. You remember always opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse, because opposite side adjacent side were changed as for the angle. Suppose this angle is here at A, this is opposite, this is adjacent. Suppose the angle is at C. Now this opposite side will come here, adjacent side will here. So that's why the numbers may be changes, but the name should not change. Okay. Now third one, tan. Tan A or tan theta. So this is tan theta means first by second, that is sin theta by cos theta. Okay, sin by cos, this is the tan formula. So this sin by cos means, here sin means we have opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse cancel, you get it opposite side by adjacent side. So this is the tan theta or tan A formula. Tan A means opposite by adjacent. How it will come means like this, sin by cos. Now fourth one, cot. Cot A or cot theta. So cot theta is a reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by tan. 1 by tan. So 1 by tan means tan means opposite side by adjacent side. So this take into numerator, what happen? Adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, so this is the tan formula, cot formula. Tan, cot is opposite to each other. Now fifth one, secant theta. Secant A or secant theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta, reciprocal to cos. Okay, so this is 1 by cos formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So this hypotenuse you take it to numerator, hypotenuse by adjacent side. This is the formula of secant. Last one, cosecant. Cosecant theta or CSC theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. This is the formula. So 1 by sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse by opposite side. This is the formula of cosecant. So here you observe it, tan and cot is reciprocal to each other. Tan and cot. Similarly, cos and secant is reciprocal to each other. Similarly, sin and cosecant is reciprocal to each other. So this, like this, you match it and recognize, remember it, it will be very easy. Just you read out sin and cos. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then tan theta, automatically you get it sin by cos. So if you get the tan theta, reciprocal to tan cot, reciprocal to cos is secant, reciprocal to sin is cosecant. So remember, you first you listen the video, then you note down this all, then once you read again you listen it, then it will be clear to you. So these are the 6 trigonometrical ratios formulas. Okay, you write theta or A, whatever it is. Suppose your question is in the form of A, you write it A. Your question is in the form of theta, you write it theta. But you don't write like this, sine of angle A. Read out, but don't write. Okay. relation between trigonometrical ratios. So you observe it, first one which is opposite to each other, tan and cot. So cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, reciprocal to each other. Second one is secant and cos. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Third one is cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Now this is the formula. Now this tan theta you multiplied with cot theta, you get it tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Okay, this is the relation. Here it is cos theta multiplied here, cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Here it is sin theta you multiplied here, sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. So these are the relation between sin and cos. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. In this video we learned only about these 6 trigonometrical ratios. So if you know this, you will be easy the exercise number 11.1. 11.1 exercise easy होता तुम्हारे को ये पूरा पढ़ लिए तो 11.1 ఈజీగా చదవాలనుకుంటే ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ 6 ఫార్ములాస్ మీకు వచ్చి ఉండాలి. సో ఇవి ఎట్లా నేర్చుకోవాలో ఈ వీడియోలో మనం చూసినాం. 1-2 సార్లు వీడియోను రీప్లే చేసుకుంటూ చదువుకోండి. ఓకే.